Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for anyone in need of a reliable air compressor. We found the California Air Tools SP-9421 2.0 HP Ultra Quiet and Oil-Free Air Compressor, and we've added a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the California Air Tools SP-9421? This air compressor is designed with an emphasis on quiet operation and oil-free functionality, making it an excellent choice for both professional and DIY projects. It features a powerful 2.0 horsepower motor that not only delivers impressive performance but does so with a noise level that's remarkably low, just 60 decibels. You won't have to worry about waking up the neighbors or disrupting your workspace with this unit. Let's talk about some of the most important features of the SP-9421. Firstly, its oil-free design means less maintenance and no need for oil changes, which can save you both time and effort. This compressor has a 4.6-gallon aluminum tank that is lightweight yet durable, making it easy to transport and store. Moreover, it has a maximum pressure of 125 psi, which is more than adequate for a variety of tasks. The compressor also boasts a recovery time of only 30 seconds, allowing you to get back to work quickly without long wait times. Who is the California Air Tools SP-9421 suitable for? This air compressor is ideal for anyone from home users to professionals. If you're a hobbyist who enjoys woodworking, painting, or working on cars, this compressor can handle a wide range of applications, including powering air tools, inflating tires, and even running pneumatic nail guns. It's also a great choice for small businesses that require a compact, efficient compressor for light-duty tasks. Now, let's explore some practical use cases. The SP-9421 is perfect for home improvement projects, allowing you to easily spray paint furniture or walls without the hassle of traditional paint methods. If you're into woodworking, you'll find that it powers tools like brad nailers and staplers effortlessly. For automotive enthusiasts, it's great for inflating tires or using impact wrenches for repairs. Additionally, if you're a photographer, you can use it to operate airbrushes for artistic effects. The versatility of this air compressor truly makes it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Another highlight is its portability. Weighing in at just 54 pounds, it features a convenient handle and rubber wheels for easy mobility. Whether you're moving it from the garage to the backyard or taking it to a job site, you won't find it cumbersome to transport. Additionally, the California Air Tools SP-9421 is designed with a user-friendly interface. It comes with an easy-to-read pressure gauge and a quick connect fitting for hassle-free connections to your tools. This means you can spend less time figuring out how to set it up and more time getting the job done. In summary, the California Air Tools SP-9421 2.0 HP Ultra Quiet and Oil-Free Air Compressor is a standout product for anyone in need of a reliable and quiet air compressor. With its powerful performance, ease of use, and versatility, it's a great investment for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're tackling home improvement projects or working on vehicles, this compressor is sure to meet your needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.